On a good day, you can see all the way over there. Over there. Good morning. I'm extra tired. I'm on my way to the gym. It's I don't know what time it is, but I'm extra tired because it's raining, foggy. It's not. My dog gets extra crazy during the rain and woke us up really early. Not cool. Not cool. All right, workout is. Oh man, hold on. All right, I had forgotten my cap and I didn't notice until I watched myself on here, and well, I went to go back and get it. It's not even that special of a cap, it's just whatever. But I have a bunch of caps and I'm kind of attached to them. I really like wearing caps. I'm surprised I haven't lost my hair yet. Knock on wood. Blockhead. But yeah, I just like caps, and the more original or unique they are, the better. And I have a whole bag full of caps. Also, by the way, I'm not a Bengals fan. This is just a workout shirt. Woo! Vlogmas day 3, starting off with a bang. Jen made breakfast when I came home from the gym. Something's wrong with this bread, Jen. Say, what's wrong with this bread? Doesn't look cooked. How do you know it's not cooked? I guess I'll spend another like 50 cents to get the one that doesn't cost me. That's what happens when you go cheap. Alright, can somebody explain how this happens? Because I'm pretty sure there's some like rational or scientific explanation for the hole. But Jen said maybe an animal got into it. Then it made me think. Yeah. Well, what do we have here? Huh? Sleepyhead? Because you woke us up so early? You're tired? You little baby. You big baby. You made me hate the rain. Still love you though. Even though you get a little crazy. See what I mean? Different hat. Random hat. Unique random. It says Crown Gasoline. Not Crown, the other thing. I found it at a gas station and I thought it was the coolest. Had it for years. Here's what the rain has done today. Here's what the rain has done today. That's better. First, woke up early thanks to that dog. Second, ruined my barbecue plans. Third, I don't think I had a third plan, but Jen suggested, since all those other plans happened, to go to this kid-to-kid thing where and look for, what is it? A stroller? A bouncer? Something for that guy. But I just checked it. We drove all the way over here. And it's closed. Oh, there's a guy standing out. Oh, no, he's just doing something else. Never mind. So, what are we going to do now?
It's closed. I guess go to Babies R Us and just buy a new one.
That's too much money.
I know.
Go to the other one? Jen.
Excuse me.
Golly.
I really didn't know it was going to come out. You thought it was funny.
Should we go to the other one or not? Too far?
I don't know what it's called. Let me look it up before we drive all the way over there. Because that one's farther than the house.
What did we decide, Jen?
We decided
Not to go to the other place.
Not to go to the other place. There's too far. But we decided on eating Jason's Deli.
Potatoes.
Because, you know, we're the type of people that never know what we want. Or, like, if I really want something, George is like, yeah, that.
I really wanted a barbecue today.
And I really wanted mac and cheese from Panera Bread.
Alright. Let's go get some food. Alright, back on the truck, ready to ride. I got my unnecessarily huge ice cream.
It's melting.
It is melting.
I love that Jason's Deli does this. Like, they give you free ice cream.
You sound like you're promoting Jason's Deli, weirdo.
You could send me a gift card.
I'm excited to go home. You know why, Jen?
Because it's bath time.
Yeah, payback time. Bath time. I mean, well,
everybody's getting a bath.
Everybody's getting a bath. But the first, that dog that woke us up early because of the rain. Ooh, this one's done.
She went first because she's the hardest.
Because she's so heavy.
She's getting so heavy.
Guess whose turn it is? Guess whose turn it is for a bath? Yes, it's your turn. Little boy, he's gonna be okay. Alright, come on, let's go get a bath. Come on. Where are you going? Hey, restroom's the other way. Hey, really? It's the other way. Hey, begging's not gonna do you any good. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Okay.
Gotta hold her. Jen said she was gonna try on giving her a bath, but I usually do it because, as you saw, she jumps out. You got this? I'm gonna leave. Bye. In the midst of our mess, there she is, just hanging out. There she is, hiding in the corner. Did you have a good bath? Huh? I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't rain anymore because I need to go to work. Bye bye. I love you still. And I still hate the rain though.
I always got my hair up in a bun. I love the rain. Everybody has bathed.
I really hope you enjoyed this third installment of VLOGMAS. Our plans kind of got turned upside down, but we still made a day out of it. And Jen, take it a go. Take it a go.
What do I
Take
do?
it out.
Take it out. Okay.
Jen, take it out.
I sure do hope you liked this video. And if you did, push the like button as well as the subscribe button. And yeah, have a great day.
See y'all later.
See
Peace
you.
out. Dare to be
Manana.
weird.
See